Hello. Do you know you can earn money on YouTube without using your real voice? Today I will teach you how to monetize a text-to-speech content on YouTube and earn money without using your real voice. Before we proceed, it would mean a lot to me if you smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Let's move on to the video. As YouTube is a large platform, creating your content with a voiceover will make your content easy to understand by the viewers. A video is not efficient without a good voiceover. Not all of the YouTubers have a good and clear sounding voice, and some of the YouTubers don't feel comfortable recording their voice. That is why people often use text-to-speech for their video voiceover. And before you use text-to-speech voice on YouTube, you must follow the YouTube monetization policies. If you want to start a channel on YouTube and create videos with text-to-speech voice, you must make sure that you don't do repetitive content. You must not do reused content. Make sure that the video have a significant and educational value, and make sure your content is an original content created by you to help other people. All these are the YouTube monetization policies. I will explain it you one by one. This is the YouTube monetization policy. What does repetitive content mean? Repetitive content is the video and content in a channel which is so similar to each other, such that viewers of the channel may find it difficult to spot the difference between videos in the same channel. To earn money on YouTube, you need to create videos that are unique and different from each other. This policy is to prevent YouTubers from creating multiple contents with the copy of the same video. The second rule is reused content. In this case, a channel copies and uploads someone else's content without adding a significant or educational value to the content. As long as your video is significant and educational to help other people, YouTube will monetize your channel. So what are you waiting for? Go now and create videos for educational purposes, add significant value to the video and earn money from YouTube through the videos. There are a handful of good text-to-speech programs out there. Google Text-to-Speech Services is one of them. It is a natural and human-like voice text-to-speech program. There are other good text-to-speech programs. T2S is also one of them. My point here is, make sure to add educational value to the videos you make and YouTube will monetize it. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video, share and also subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you on my next video.